Yes, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we are audible, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah,
How
I'm
is
good.
it going on?
Yeah, it is going good. I cannot complain because, as usual, morning, so it is also good. And thank you
Oh,
so much for asking. And tell me about how is the day and how is the morning.
yeah, my morning it was wonderful, ma'am. My kids are playing outside, and I am inside, and I am in the session. So, meanwhile, they may come inside and ask some question. Also, please bear me, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Okay.
can you can you introduce ourselves in short form so that it will be easier for all the viewers. They can
Yes,
view the video. Yeah.
yes. I'm Mahalakshmi. I hail from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I was a lecturer for 4 years, and then I worked in a nationalized bank for almost 12 years. Now I am a happy homemaker. I am a proud homemaker. I have two daughters. That's
Okay.
all. I have recently embarked on my YouTube channel for my English enhancement and to elevate my communication skill also. And recently I have completed my TEFL courses.
Okay.
And that's a nutshell about me, ma'am.
Nice.
And would you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. So my name is Sangeeta Putra and I live in UP and I am a mother of two kids and I was working for I think 5 years before, but after having my children, so I had to leave my job. But now I'm on the same pay or same phase. I'm trying to get a new one. So this is all about
You,
me.
you, you one mean?
New job. I am getting to means I am now try to upskill my my means I was from software field, so for that I am upskilling language.
Okay. So do you have a plan to go for a job when your children they grow up?
No, no, no. I don't want to go to join any company, but I want to sit in my home at my home.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah,
So
work from home is good for me.
yes, ma'am. Yes, actually, I do the same. I'm also in the same page. Because my presence, they need to be, what to say, they actually need me at home. Whenever I want to go out, I have to ask them and I have to explain them. And for this reason, your mom is going out, and I'll be back soon. And these are all the things I have to do when I'm going out. So I have to explain them everything, and I have to say them within these 3 hours or 4 hours I will return. So they consider that my presence at home is significant.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am. So how long have you been in this English learning, ma'am? English learning journey?
I think, ma'am, from last month because I was wasting my time when I got some time. So I was wasting my time to watch the blogging videos. Sometimes not usually, not regularly. But after watching one of the video of Sunita ma'am, then that video inspired me a lot. And I did not know about that this conversation is also going in this YouTube platform.
Okay.
So after that, one thing is click in my mind that I have to also improve my skill, and I will if I will connect to so many YouTubers or so many co-learners, then it will make me more better. So from last month, I am trying.
Excuse me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, actually, absolutely, you're right, ma'am. And you have chosen a correct, what to say, correct decision for your life, right, ma'am? So I would really appreciate that. And I'm also on the same page. I have also started this to improve my English. And actually, in order to improve your English, what are all the things you are doing currently, ma'am?
Ma'am, from last 1 week, I am using a CVR to connect with the co-learner so that it will make me more and to enhance my skill. But the one thing I means I want to say that so during these days I don't get so much time to read book. I like to read book of Sudhamurti ma'am or some motivational books also. But during these days I don't get time so much time to read book. But whenever I get time, I watch so many conversational videos Then also I have one specific quality. That means I want to write some content also.
Okay.
So and
So
after writing, yeah, after writing that content, then I will check that my sentence is correct or not in with
uh,
ChatGPT. Then I will rectify all these mistakes if I have made any mistakes. So then I rectify all these mistakes.
very good, ma'am. Very good. Super, ma'am. Super. I do have a habit of writing journal every night. And but I don't check with chat gpt. I like as it is whatever comes to my mind. And the main thing I focus on that is I make sure that I'm using all the vocabs which I used throughout the day. I just make all those I just record all those words in my daily. and
So how
and
is yeah yeah
I do have
yeah.
habit of practicing those vocabs in the next day, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So can you tell me how you will get that vocab? Means from any conversation videos or means it is a regular routine that you have to pick any vocab and then you will practice it. So it is a regular habit.
Yes, and whenever I teach my children, they are she is in CBSE, but her book words English vocab is somewhat advanced. Even
Yes.
I actually don't know so many words even in a page, even in a single page. So whenever I teach her, actually I have a note and I note down all the words in that note. And I started using those words also. Or whenever I come across some conversation, some videos, those words immediately I pause that video, go to Google and search for that particular word and get the meaning and write those words in my note. And
Okay.
sometimes I use that particular word while writing journal, and I make sure that I have to I keep that in my mind that I have to start using that word, particular word. So instead of saying some simple words, I deliberately replace that word with this word. For
Okay. Okay.
example, important, I deliberately started using crucial or significant. So it became now easier. It is now what to say accustomed for me.
Yes. 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 And also in some of the videos, I have seen that you have also used means some idioms also you are
Yes,
using,
ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. And that also, I use my daughters as my learners and teachers, everything. So while
Okay.
teaching or while feeding food, I tell them some idioms, and I will make them too curious to know about that word. So I will wait up to that, and when they start asking me, "Ma, what is the meaning of this idiom?" Then I explain them. I make sure that I am using that idiom 3 or 4 times while explaining the meaning.
So
But
that
I don't. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
Actually, I don't memorize or much of 10 idioms, 10 words daily like that. But I do everything on the day to day life basis while doing the chores or while. See, when yesterday my brother was what removing the coconut from its shell, I asked him, "Do you know the meaning of this action?" Then I told him, "This is called pry out. PRYOUT. Pry out. We are You are prying out the coconut from its shell." So like this, I am what to say incorporating all this vocabulary in my day to day life.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's a nice practice, and also, yeah, when we practice this vocabulary in our sentence, in while making our sentence, so then it will be fixed in our mind. If we will not use, then we cannot remember all this vocabulary. It is very difficult also.
It's not. And like while actually we studied a lot, right, when we were in college, school, but we don't remember even the topic, the syllabus, everything. But when we correct the words to our daily life, then there is a possibility to remember those words. So I have started using that thing. And I have a sticky note also in my room, and whenever I cross my room, I have a look on that words and try to incorporate those words in my conversation, not only to my YouTube conversation, but also to my daughters, with my
Means,
daughters.
yeah, yeah. Means while listening your conversation, your thoughts. So I think that we have to make ourselves like Ghazni. I think maybe you watch the movie Ghazni. Okay, this is a Bollywood movie, and
Yes.
Yeah, see, he forgot all these things, although whatever he has to do, so he
Yes.
forgot all the things, and he writes all these things in your body parts. Okay, so I think all the homemaker should make a sticky note, and they have to stick the
Yes.
notes in all over the body so that we can remember all the vocab in our day-to-day
But
life.
some words we don't want to focus, ma'am. Some must be into our conscious mind. It must be moved from our subconscious mind to conscious mind, right? So that words we don't need to focus. But the thing is, say how much you are putting effort, that much will get the profit. So
Yeah,
we should not hesitate to practice this habit. When we are
yeah,
okay there with some relevant words, then uh, we can uh, we can move to some other strategies, ma'am. But I feel that this works for me.
yeah, yeah. I think we should also follow your rules, so it will help me. Then if I will use the sticky note in my kitchen and I will stick all the notes in my kitchen, so then it will help me better.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think.
When I was starting this career, no, not this year, but last year. Okay, when I was reading and when I was about to start something, I actually wrote some phrases related to how are you. Instead of asking how are you, what are the terms we can we can say. So from that I was starting. Instead
There
of
is
how are
Okay.
sugar
you,
also.
these
हम
many
इसे
things, instead of
बहुत ही
goodbye,
commonly sugar
we
भी
have to
बोलते हैं,
ask,
right?
we can
It
ask
is the
these
main
things.
source of
So I
energy
have
for
pasted
our body.
everything on the
Main
wall,
source. अगर
and
आपको
whenever
चीज
I
याद
go
है,
and
मतलब
here
जितने
and there,
सारे
I
दिन
just
होते हैं
have a
कई
look
बार
on it.
जब आपके स्कूल में
Yeah, yeah.
संगीत के
This
कंपटीशन
is
होता है
almost
और
I can.
आप स्प्रिंट
Yeah,
कर
I
रहे
can
हो 100
resonate to
मीटर्स,
you
200
with
मीटर्स,
all the
या
homemakers.
आप
Means we
400
have, I
मीटर्स
think,
रिले रेस,
so
डिफरेंट
many
डिफरेंट फॉर ऑल
homemakers
द
have the
फिजिकल
same problem
एक्टिविटीज दैट
that
यू आर
we
डूइंग, तो
forget all the things
ओके,
after
वहां पे
watching
आपके
the video,
टीचर्स,
after
आपके
conversation.
स्कूल्स
We
टीचर्स
just
ऑलवेज हैव
when I watch some videos,
ग्लूकोन-डी अवेलेबल
so
फॉर
I
यू, राइट?
think that I have to
Glucose
learn
is
that
a
vocab
type of a
and I have to
carbohydrate.
use
Again,
in my
अगर वो
sentence.
that
But
energy, that
after
burst
watching
of
that
energy
videos,
देती
it
है,
was all
instant
it
energy
was
जो हमारे
not in
बॉडी
my
को
mind.
चाहिए
Yes,
होती है, ठीक है?
yes.
It is broken
We have to
down
do
into
repetition, ma'am.
simple
Is
sugars.
the
One
all the
such
words
simple
which
sugar
are
is
in our
glucose.
subconscious
हमारी
mind,
body
we
में
have
it
to
is broken down
make it
into
to
simple
make
sugars
those
so
words
that
come to our
sugar
conscious
necessary
mind.
energy
For that,
extract
repetition
की जा
and
सके,
practice.
निकाली जा सके, ताकि
These are all
हमारी
the
body
main
उसका
keys
इस्तेमाल कर सके, राइट?
Yeah,
अब
to
yeah, sure.
remember.
कॉमन फूड आइटम्स जो
Yeah.
कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में
Okay,
काफी हद
ma'am.
तक रिच होते हैं, नाउ अगेन
So shall
स्टूडेंट्स
we discuss
प्लीज नोट
some
दिस
grammars,
फैक्ट,
ma'am?
आपको बहुत सारे फूड
Some
आइटम्स
Yeah,
में
yeah.
rules.
डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स
Yes,
रिपीट
yes.
नजर आएंगे,
And
इसका
tell me
मतलब ये
one thing,
नहीं है कि
ma'am.
अगर आपको पता है
Means
कि
just I
कार्बोहाइड्रेट
have
इज
one question
इक्वल
for
टू
you. Means
फैट
after
इज इक्वल, ऐसा
talking
नहीं है,
with
इट्स
you,
जस्ट दैट
so I
यू
just
कैन
one thing I
convert
click in my mind
that
that.
particular component
So
into
after you
numbers
said that
ठीक है,
you
but ऐसा नहीं है
worked
कि फैट सिर्फ एक ही
from
चीज है,
12 year, okay? You have experience 12 year experience in a bank,
Yes,
right? So
yes.
after working a long period, so why you decide that you have to leave that job
Ma'am,
for the children, for your children?
yes, ma'am. For my family and for my children. And in my place, in my husband's place, my I don't have in-laws, so
Okay,
I
so
felt that it was very tough for me to handle both the things.
yeah,
I
yeah,
was able to handle my family and also my job.
job.
So we have
Okay.
decided this one. But before quitting my job, we had so many discussions and we tried a number of solutions for that, but nothing was working. So nothing worked
Oh,
well. So I we decided this. But okay, I came out of that and I don't have any regrets for that. I am actually keeping myself updated. I make sure that I should not think of my what to say my job and the sadness after leaving the things. Is
because I can resonate with you because I had also same problem. Means
okay.
after after working experience, after all these things, then I did not concentrate on my work and I did not sit because I was working as a software developer. So for that we have to work minimum 6 to 7 hours, and it was very tough task for me because yeah. So I can understand that what are the things which were going on before doing that job. So same thing, and I think that now we get so much time because our children are now growing up, so that we can get so much time. So
Actually, we have so much time, but according to me. they consider that our presence, our time, it
Yeah,
is
yeah.
essential for them.
Yeah, means I want to say that after they go to school, so
Yes,
we have time. Okay, after sending them to school, so we get
yes,
time. So we can
yes,
utilize that time.
yes, ma'am. Correctly said, ma'am. Yes. Instead
Mhm.
of doing some monotonous work, we can even concentrate on our path so that see when someone knows that we are doing something on our updation, then they it will create some respect to us, ma'am. They will start asking some ideas and they will start giving some respect to our views. Actually, it happened to me also. And before I was not doing anything, I was simply at home before starting this channel. But now, daily I'm getting some conversational request or something. Even everyone is, I feel that everyone is listening to my words and they are asking opinions in my family also. So I felt that okay, we should do something in order to make ourselves updated. In order to keep respect, we should do something, ma'am. Actually, we should not concentrate on our daily chores and all.
Yeah. Okay. So if you want to ask some questions, so you can ask me. I don't think that maybe I will answer all the questions correctly.
It's
Maybe
okay.
okay. You can ask me.
Okay, ma'am. Before that, do you have any questions to ask, ma'am? That's all.
Yeah, I had some question, but now I think I forgot what are the things which are going on my mind in my mind. Mm, means when you started your journey, okay, so you have the passion that you want to be a YouTuber or you want to upload that videos in YouTube or you want to just you have the passion that you have to learn the language or anything else.
Actually, frankly saying, I actually did not have any thought, ma'am. Actually, I want to forget my regrets. I should not lament about my past. So that was in my mind, and it was my daughter who encouraged me to start something. Scold her, right? So she was encouraging me to start YouTube channel regarding English learning, ma'am. I also is before starting itself, I was in my upgradation. So without even anything, I was upgrading myself by reading books or by doing exercises online, like that.
Yeah, you are doing a good means you are doing so many things so that you can make you upskill.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, something is there within me. Some urge is there, and it is not allowing me to sleep properly. See my eyes, ma'am. So I am not able to sleep properly. It is saying me that you should do something. You should do something. So I don't know what to do. So I'm thinking I have to do something in order to calm it down.
Mhm. So, I have another question for you. That when you started your journey as a beginner, so how we will connect to other YouTubers so that it will make you
Yes, ma'am.
perfect.
Yes, ma'am. From that description, I take their email ID and I request them for the conversation.
Now I am doing the same thing, but I think that it will take so much time. Means so
Yes, ma'am.
we have to wait for their reply, then
Yes,
we have
yes,
to yeah
yes.
message them. If they will accept our request, then it is okay. If they will not accept, then it is also okay. We have to
No,
find out
yes.
another.
No, ma'am. Actually, we should keep on trying. Actually, good things take time, right, ma'am? So we have to keep on asking them. We have to keep on what to say, nurturing them
Yeah,
because they are very busy and we cannot complain to them, right, ma'am? They are busy with their field and they are also working and they don't know about us and how we are struggling to actually make our YouTube channel good. They must be come like us. They must
yeah,
be
yeah,
yes,
yeah,
they must have come like this, but we should have patience, ma'am.
yeah. I can understand.
Yes.
But yeah, from I think from last 2 days I am using this practice. Means from last month, no, last month I had talked with Sundar ma'am, Santa ma'am, and Minu ma'am, 3 to 4 YouTubers.
Okay.
But after that I let all these things means I think that it is a very tough task for me to find out the mail and then send mail to them and also wait for the reply if they will reply me or not. So after that, after 1 month, then I think that I have to again use my same
Yes.
path. Again, I have to go on the same path so that it will be make me perfect.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we should have some patience, and good things happen. Takes time, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
We should do something that they itself will come and ask us. So I have a plan that first, ma'am, we should not complain about others. First, we should upgrade ourselves. I'm concentrating on that. Whenever I find time, take a book with me or take a note, something. I have so many notes with me, so many books with me. And even for 5 to 10 minutes, I started upgrading myself. So instead of blaming others, instead of waiting for others, we should start upgrading ourselves, ma'am.
Yeah, means I am not blaming all the others, but one thing just I want to say that means if we have time, if you have time in during daytime, because after daytime during evening or night we cannot get so much time for ourselves. Okay, after dinner we get time. Means I think after dinner I get 1 to 2 hours. So I use that hour with productivity. Means I used to like read books, and then also I have some coding. I am learning some coding language, so for that I do some
Oh,
coding. Okay. So,
super.
but I think that yeah, we have to divide our time. Means
Yes,
for we have to use 15 minutes to mail all the YouTuber if we have to connect them. So then we have to use another 15 or 30 minutes to learn to practice ourselves. So I think that we have to divide our time how we can use the time properly, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, of course. But see, ma'am, when we are planning for something, our kids, right, ma'am, they are here, right? They are here to actually disturb us. When I was preparing for my session or for anything, actually, my daughter, my little one, right, ma'am, she comes to me and asks some weird question or some weird. She asked me to do something which is irrelevant to my task, but we should have some endurance, and I accepted that, and I started doing that thing.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. Shall we proceed, ma'am?
yeah, sure.
I always blank coffee in the morning to stay awake.
I always,
Blank.
okay, blank. Okay, I always drink.
I always blank coffee in the morning to stay awake.
Okay, I always drink, right?
Very
Drink.
good, ma'am. Very
Right.
good. She blanked to the market before it started raining.
We belong to the market. Okay, she went to the market before it started
Yes.
raining.
Yes, ma'am. If I blank more time, I would learn another language.
I did not
If
get you.
if I blank more
Hmm.
time,
Okay, if
I,
yeah, I get more time. Okay,
I would have learned another language.
if I will get more time, right?
If I had
Okay, if I had, okay, yeah, yeah.
more
If
time,
I,
I would have learned another language.
yeah, I had more.
The movie was so blank that I couldn't stop watching.
The movie was so good.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am. Yes, very good, ma'am. They have been working here blank 2019.
from yeah, since
Yes,
you can use my since from.
both the things. Yes,
Okay,
he is
okay.
taller blank his brother.
He
Is taller blank his brother.
is taller. Sorry, I did not get your sentence. Can you repeat it again?
Yes, ma'am. He is taller,
Hmm?
blank, his
Okay,
brother.
okay. He's taller than his brother.
Yes. Please let me know if you need blank help.
Uh, Please let me know if you need more help. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. More help.
Okay.
The children are playing while their mother blank dinner.
Okay. Children are playing while their mm, mother was doing. or
Okay,
was having their dinner, I think.
dinner?
Can you repeat?
What next? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The children were playing while
Hmm.
their mother blank
was
dinner.
was having for dinner.
Yes, ma'am. Is was having dinner or was preparing.
Okay, was preparing. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sure.
I forgot where I blank my phone.
Okay, I forget where I kept my phone.
Yes, ma'am. Very good. It's important to drink water blank the day.
It's important to drink
Blank
water. Okay.
is water.
A glass of water. Oh, sorry. In a day,
It is important to drink water blank the day.
plan the day. Okay. It's important to drink plenty water. I think plenty water. Much water. Much water.
Important to drink water all over the day.
8 glasses of water. You can use 8 glasses of water. Eight
Yes, ma'am.
glasses of
It's
water.
important to drink 8 glasses of water all the day.
Mm-hmm.
8 glasses of water every
Yeah,
day.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any questions, ma'am? Because yeah, I asked
Yeah,
you many
yeah,
questions.
yeah. It's a nice conversation because in this conversation you were asking some questions so that I also enjoy this conversation. Okay, I'm enjoying also. And I have some question means can you ma'am there are so many beginners are also here. Okay, and in this platform we can also learn and also the viewers who are the beginner they also learn after watching the video. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
when we learn something from the book, so maybe it takes so much time to make us better. But when you watch something, then it fixed in our mind. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Correct.
ma'am, just describe me means you have to describe that how we will differentiate between much and more, and where we will use much and more with example. Just describe it all.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will help for the beginner.
Okay. Much we usually refers it to uncountable, ma'am, uncountable noun, and more we can refers to countable. Okay. How when it comes to much, when quantity is huge, we can use much. When we can say the quantity, we can use more, ma'am. For example, we can say that much. You are talking so much, and the film is much. I like it very much. The film is good. I like it very much. Here we cannot describe the volume, the amount. When it comes to more, we can easily say that how many things, how more do you need?
Yeah, it means we can differentiate with countable or uncountable, right?
Uncountable is
We will use much in case of uncountable noun, and if it is countable, then we have to use many, right?
many or more is more.
Yeah.
Many. How many friends do you have?
How many children
How
do you
many
have? Yeah.
yes, how many children do you have? How many friends do you have? How many subjects do you like? And how many places have you been there? Have you been visited so far? And in this letter, we can use many, ma'am.
Okay.
And this is the difference between much and many, according to me, ma'am.
Yeah, it's fine, ma'am. Means just because I want to ask this question because my son he is in class 4. So in his book there is a concept much and more. So I want to explain him. So I think that I have to also explain if I will discuss this in this channel. Maybe so many beginners maybe they don't know about they don't know how to differentiate between much
Yes,
and
ma'am.
so
Many.
they really get it. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay, ma'am, I have 2 and 3 word. If it will be okay, so then you can also uh, you can also answer the questions. or you can just use in your vocabulary. Okay, it is not the question and round question round section. Okay, you can use also in your vocabulary because I am also on the same
Okay.
page. Yeah, so there is one word. Did you heard about from? FROWN?
Frown.
Yes, from FROWN.
No, ma'am, I'm not aware of this word. I'm not acquainted.
I think that its pronunciation will be frown.
Frown.
FROWN. Frown. Okay. So it
Okay.
is means it is the confusion. If you have some,
Confusion. Okay.
yeah, so you can use this vocabulary frown. Maybe
Frown.
you can maybe check it in Google or anything else so that it will pronounce it better. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
The next word is strict. Can you tell me strict? You can use the vocabulary strict. STREAK.
Streak. Streak,
Yeah,
right, ma'am?
not strict. Strict. STREAK.
Click.
Strict. Yeah. K. Last
Streak.
one is the strict.
Don't know, ma'am.
Ma'am, in this video I use two vocab here. One is a frown. Okay, so frown means worried. If you are worried or if you get confusion in your mind, so you can use that word. Okay, frown.
Okay.
And next word is the straight. Straight means to move quickly. Okay, yeah,
Okay,
right,
ma'am.
quickly. So this is enough. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay, ma'am.
Two new words now.
Yes.
I am also learning, and you can also
Yes.
get this two words:
Yes.
strict and
Yes.
proud.
These are new words to me, and I also I try to use these words in
You,
my conversation in my daily life.
you can use your inner sticky note also.
Yes.
Yeah, your sticky note provides me provides or show me a right path that I can use also. I can use same route
Yes, yes.
so that it will help me better.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, once we know the meaning of that particular word, then we no need to make sentences by using that word. We can easily replace that words with our conversation, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And there is also one idiom because I teach my I taught my son. So I found that idiom and it was very silly word means I think ride to bicycle or sorry back pedal bicycle something like that. Just I forget about that word. No, I didn't mention here. So I will
Okay.
maybe I will give her that note
Okay, ma'am.
when I that one. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Shall we call it a day, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much for connecting, ma'am. We'll have another session also, ma'am, after some months.
Yeah, sure, sure. And thank you so much to
And
give me such an
ma'am,
opportunity so that we will connect with each other.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's also my pleasure, ma'am, to have you here, and I'm also honored, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank